y'all, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm gonna do a review of this product, wireless electric toothbrush. In this case we have a charger. This is a wireless charger. You just put here, you charge. To connect with the charging cable, this is micro USB cable if I'm not wrong. And go to the machine. Let's go to the machine here. Here we go. See the machine, and you have different heads. Let's put the brush head, and it's touch sensitive. You touch, you hold, it's closed. You touch, it starts. And same time, you can see you can change the movement. If you touch, it changes from soft white, clean. The next one is starter. And the last one is gum care. So you have brush head, quite strong vibration I feel at my hand. I hold for close. Let's change the head. We have two more tools here. You can see this is slim head, this is flat head, this is for tartar. Or you have plug, other things to remove. I put here this one. Here we go. I press this button. Quite vibration it has. So clean your tartar, that stuff. So you hold. Very lovely looking product. You can see, guys. For charging, you don't have any holes, so it's Bluetooth charge, wireless charging in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.